topic is the chemical kinetics. In this topic, the important points are rate of reaction and the reactant concentration. In this rate of reaction and reactant concentration involves mainly two parts, rate law and second is the order. This order contains order with respect to each reactant and second is the order of the reaction. Out of these points, first is the rate law. This rate law is an experimentally determined equation which gives the relationship between reactant, rate and molar concentration of reactant, which gives the reaction rate and the molar concentration of the reactant. This is called as a rate law. This rate law is defined as, consider the reaction AA plus BP, it gives CC plus DD. This is the general reaction. Applying the rate law, according to this definition, rate is directly proportional to the molar concentrations of this reactant A and B. These two are the reactants and these two are the products. Therefore, rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A and B, that is reactant. Therefore, rate equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. This K is called as a proportionality constant. Proportionality constant or rate constant or rate constant. In this rate of reaction, there is some terms are added. First is the exponent x and y. X and y are the orders or the exponents of these concentrations of A and B respectively. In this, from this equation, x and y are exponents and also called as a order. These are the order. From this expression, rate is equal to K into A raised to x into B raised to y. We can study there is a different terms. First, if x is equal to y is equal to 1, then the concentration of this reactant A and B, their powers are 1. Hence, rate law is represented as rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of this B. Second term, if this concentration of A and B, there is one is constant and another makes the double. Concentration of A makes double at constant concentration of B. Therefore, this rate law is also double, that is rate of reaction is double. Third condition, from this expression, rate is equal to K into A raised to x into B raised to y. If x is less than 0 at constant B, the concentration of B is constant, then the rate of reaction decreases with increase in concentration of B. Concentration of A. Rate of reaction decreases with increase in the concentration of A. And these three terms are used for the determination of the rate of reaction or the rate law. The fourth condition, if there is a rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to x and concentration of B raised to y, the term concentration of A is double and x is equal to 2 at constant concentration of B, then rate is increases by 4. Rate increases by unit 4 because from this equation rate is equal to K concentration of A is 2 raised to 2 at constant concentration of B, this is a 0, that is equal to the K into 4, that is the rate of reaction increases by the unit 4. First one. Order contains, there are two terms. First is a order with respect to each reactant. Order with respect to each reactant. This order with respect to each reactant is defined as the exponential term present of the reactant concentration which raise the rate law. And another is the order of reaction This order of reaction is defined as the sum of exponential terms of the reactant present in the rate law. For example, consider the reaction AABB, it gives CC plus DD. Order, according to this, apply the rate law. Rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to X into concentration of B raised to Y. Order with respect to each reactant from this rate law, order with respect to A is X, with respect to B is Y, and overall order of the reaction is the sum of exponents of the reactant concentration present in the rate law, and this is an order of overall reaction. This order may be integer, fraction, or 0. Order may be integer, fraction, or 0. Another point about the order, it is an experimental quantity. Order is an experimental quantity. Third point about this order, according to this integer, fraction, and 0, the different reactions are occurs, and depending upon the concentration of the reactant, order may be changes because this depends upon the experimental quantity. This involves the order is an integer. Order is integer. It contains the first order reaction, this first order reaction contains the example decomposition of H2O2 to water and oxygen molecule. In this case, decomposition of this hydrogen peroxide to form water and oxygen molecule. For this reaction, rate law is equal to, rate is directly proportional to concentration of H2O2. Therefore, rate is equal to K into concentration of H2O2. And according to this, the power of this concentration of H2O2 is 1. Hence, order of decomposition of H2O2 is 1, and this is an example of first order reaction. Second, the formation of hydrogen iodide from I2 and H2 gases. H2 and I2 gases reacted together and it forms the hydrogen iodide. This reaction is represented as H2 gas plus I2 gas, it gives 2HI gas. In this reaction, applying the rate law, rate is directly proportional to concentration of H2 and concentration of this I2, that is reactant concentration. Therefore, rate is equal to K into concentration of H2 into concentration of this I2. In this case, the powers of this H2 and I2 are 1. Therefore, order with respect to H2 is 1. Order with respect to I2 is also 1. But overall order of the reaction is 2. That is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is an order of an formation of HI from H2 and I2. This is the second order reaction. Order is integer. The first and second order reactions are already studied in their examples. Next is the third order reaction. For example, 2NO gas reacted with H2 gas, 2 molecules of H2 gas, it forms N2 gas with elimination of the water molecule as a liquid. In this case, the number of molecules present in this reactions are 2, and these are the 2, there are total 4 molecules. But applying the rate law, rate is directly proportional to the concentration of NO raised to 2 into concentration of this H2 raised to 1. Therefore, rate is equal to K into concentration of NO raised to 2 into H2 raised to 1, because the rate is with respect to this nitric oxide is a second order reaction, and with respect to this H2 is a first order reaction, because this is an experimental quantity. Therefore, order with respect to NO equal to 2. Order with respect to H2 equal to 1, and therefore overall order of a reaction equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3, and this is an example of third order reaction. There is another example for homework. 2NO gas reacted with oxygen molecule, it forms 2NO2 gas. By using this concept, third order reaction, write for this third order reaction expression for this reaction. Next part is of order is fraction. Order is fraction. In a chemical reactions, order contains fraction, that is the acetaldehyde. On decomposition, it gives methane and carbon monoxide as a gas. When acetaldehyde decomposes to form methane and carbon monoxide, in this reaction, apply the rate law. Rate is directly proportional to the concentration of this acetaldehyde, and in this case, the power of this acetaldehyde concentration is 1, but this is the experimental quantity, and therefore power is 3 by 2. Hence, rate is equal to K into concentration of acetaldehyde raised to 2, and from this equation, power is 3 by 2. Hence, order of decomposition of this acetaldehyde is equal to the 3 by 2. Hence, this order is an example of this fraction. Order is fraction. Fourth, order may be 0, that is in the formation of Okay. In this example, nitrogen dioxide reacted with carbon monoxide, it forms nitric oxide and this gives a carbon dioxide. Applying the rate law for this reaction, rate is equal to K into the concentration of this nitrogen dioxide into the concentration of this carbon monoxide. In this case, the rate is directly proportional to this NO2 and this is an 2 and with respect to this carbon monoxide is 0 and therefore order in case of this carbon monoxide is 0. This is an example of 0 order reaction. Another example is the decomposition of the adsorption of the hydrogen atoms from the hydrogen gas molecules on the surface of the platinum or rhodium. They contain there is a very small percentage of the surface area of the platinum or rhodium to adsorb the hydrogen gas and the another concentration is higher. Therefore, this also an example of this zero order reaction.